That's for everything else.
I could get used to it.
You really did a wonderful thing. Thank you. No one was a better Viking than you today. This seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah? Yeah, I guess it does.
Hiccup, stop. You spent months planning this. It's gonna work.
Oh my Thor!
That was close.
Yeah.
Did you seriously think I'd leave here with just a handshake?
Astrid, I rely on you. It's what makes us, well, us. Deal?
Deal.
This changes
Everything.
Wait, so does this mean you're not dying? Bring it in for the real one, Hiccup.
I'll be fine. I've got her. You know what? I've had enough thinking to last me an entire week. I'm going to get some sleep. We don't have to be like them. I mean, we have a different kind of... Hey, your dad would be so proud of you right now. I know I am.
As for the lovebirds... No, those lovebirds.
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here. Maybe you just don't see it yet.
Watch every star.
Hiccup, don't!
I have to.
This way.
Come here, you.
Ooh.
Besides, it's just until he brings her back.
What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
That's the Hiccup I know.
For the Chief and Chief Dash!